Let's look at electrician salary in Afghanistan. On average, electrician in Afghanistan earns around 360 US dollars a year. After tax, that leaves $320, which brings home roughly $27 a month. You'll usually get higher electrician wages in big cities like Kabul, where take-home pay reaches $380, but higher living costs in urban areas often balance that out. Early on, entry-level electrician pay sits below the average mark, but it goes up fast as you gain experience, before it plateaus unless you take on more responsibility. Getting a university degree adds up to noticeably more money and helps you move into senior roles like master electrician or electrical inspector. Having extra certifications in high-voltage systems also boosts your electrician income. On top of that, you'll sometimes face long working hours or risky conditions, so the extra physical strain is a downside to consider.